Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, follow me to learn how to write Donald Trump in Chinese characters. And how do Chinese people call Donald Trump? Well, first, let's write Donald Trump. Donald Trump. In Chinese character is 唐纳德特朗普唐纳德特朗普唐纳德特朗普 Donald Trump. Well, how do Chinese people call Donald Trump? Well, in a civil society, or the people from internet we call 川普 for 唐纳德特朗普。川普。Yes, there is Sichuan province in China, but 川普 is not that Sichuan Mandarin. It is just the transliteration of Trump. Okay, that's all for today. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.